we're going to see ERP or Enterprise Resource Planning Systems. What's an Enterprise Resource Planning System? It's a business management software suite. It's a software that combines the management of all departments of an enterprise, or at least of a lot of them, into a single system to make the company more efficient and to have better data about how it works. ERP usually oversees and coordinates a lot of different operations and processes of the company, such as finance, sales, accounting, human resources, manufacturing, shipping, and much more. It is usually a modular software where you can install some of the different modules of the software, and depending on your needs, you will have more integration, less integration, more information, less information. What are the advantages? It allows businesses to make better business decisions, it reduces operational costs, and it improves efficiency by delivering the right product at the right time and managing purchases and inventory. You can find proprietary ERPs that are used by very big companies, for example, SAP, Oracle, Microsoft Dynamics, NetSuite, or for smaller business, Sage. And you can even find ERPs on the cloud that don't need anything installed in your company. You can use it from internet. You can also find open source ERPs. For example, OpenERP, that now it's called ODOO, or Xtuple, or OpenBravo, or OpenTabs. Usually, when you install one of these open source free ERPs, you will need to hire the services of a consulting company that makes the analysis, the deployment, and the maintenance of the systems and gives you support. So usually it's not free. The software is free, but then you have to install and configure it. And that's it.